Hello, good night. Atanika this?
Who this?
Atanika this?
Yeah, who this?
Rochelle I talk to. Trevor then hear you?
Who this?
This is Rochelle.
From?
I come from Clarendon. Trevor then hear you?
Yeah, why?
When them? Let me talk to him. Blood clot.
Fresh drop.
Blood clot. You don't know say Trevor smarty man. And the smarty suspect say Trevor cheat with this a girl. And this a girl say Trevor did it. Baby girl. Jesus Christ. When you hear me say? The girl suspect say Trevor get her bun with this a girl. And the girl say Trevor, baby girl, Trevor bun you know. Well, Patrick Nala, but Trevor bun you, baby girl. When I tell her what she fi do that, cause blood clot. We find him out, burn there, everybody.
Hello?
Tanika, why you hang up?
Who this?
This is Rochelle. May I tell you say Rochelle this? May I accept Trevor then near you?
Yes.
So where is
Rochelle
he?
From where?
Clarendon me come from.
Okay, Anna?
Me want to know where you and Trevor in.
Trevor, my baby father. I just have a baby by Trevor. What?
Trevor, you're baby father?
Yeah.
What the blood clot? Well, me pregnant right now, you know?
Okay, me just have a baby sick. My baby has 6 months.
So Trevor here, man?
Well, some of the man, but what? What's this, Rochelle?
A Clarendon me come from, girl. I use this to my ears right now. What the bumbo clot this? Dirty boy Trevor.
Trev! Where's your name?
Rochelle.
Trev! Trev! Come here. Come here. Close the door then. My head hurts, man. I wouldn't need Rochelle. No. Come here, son.
Fresh
Hello?
drop.
Yeah.
Did they pass speaker?
Trevor, really? Really dirty boy Trevor. Trevor.
Who this?
Trevor, Rochelle. Trevor.
Oh, which Rochelle?
Clarence, I want the blood clot this a boy. Don't fuck yourself, you know. Don't ramp with me, you know, Trevor. Don't ramp with me, you know.
Trevor, who named Rochelle? Don't know nobody named Trevor. Who named Rochelle? Who named Rochelle?
Jesus Christ, what am I do? What am I gonna do?
I want to pick him up and you have to do it.
Baby girl, are you a man, you know? Jesus, blood clot, and she say a smarty man for true. What am I do?
No, come on, my son. Come on, my son.
Baby girl, baby girl, baby girl,
Oh, no, come on, my son.
baby girl, baby girl,
Excuse me.
baby girl, baby girl,
Excuse.
baby girl, a joke, a prank. Jesus, but you say a smarty man. Jesus, no. Look at Jesus. Girl, your man a bunny, you know. Jesus Christ. Oh, the blood. Me a come down. Oh, can I mix up this in the night here? So Trevor.
You have been redirected.
So Trevor give baby girl born with this a gal. Baby girl Trevor. Psalms, everybody big up. Me astonished. So Trevor. I give baby girl pan the life born with this a girl yeah. And this a girl I confirm say a smarty man for true. Baby girl, Trevor just have a baby pan you. Jesus Christ, everybody big up.